morning light peeks in the hall. Babies gather, big and small. Broomsticks lined up in a cheerful row, ready for a ballet in the gentle glow. Tiny hands grasp the wooden handles tight, wiggling toes in the early daylight. Soft bristles sweep across the shiny floor, creating a rhythm babies can't ignore. A shuffle here, a glide so sweet. Broomstick ballet in a playful beat. Giggles echo against the painted walls as babies spin in the hallways calls. Broom bristles brush with a gentle sway, making cleaning and dancing one bright array. Each little step becomes a graceful twirl, transforming the hall into a magical world. La la la, la 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 na 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 na. Light dust motes float in a sunbeam bright. Babies chase them with laughter so light. A swirl of color from pajamas so bold. The broom's gentle sweep, a story untold. One final sweep as the ballet ends. Babies bow to the hall, their new best friend. The broomstick rests with a quiet hush. Broomstick ballet in the hall leaves memories lush. Na 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 na.